Welcome to a truck workshop in Pakistan, where mechanical engineering is at the heart of daily work. These skilled professionals are dedicated to keeping trucks on the road and ensuring their optimal performance. From routine maintenance to complex repairs, this workshop handles it all. The workshop is equipped with state-of-the-art tools and equipment to ensure efficient and precise work. The mechanics work together as a team, sharing their expertise and knowledge to solve complex mechanical challenges. They take pride in their work, knowing that their skills keep the wheels of the economy turning. Whether it's repairing an engine or fine-tuning the suspension, these mechanics are dedicated to delivering top-notch service. In this workshop, every truck that comes in leaves in peak condition, ready to hit the road with confidence. Engine work, body work, and complete setup. Today, we'll take you through the process of maintaining and upgrading your truck. First, let's dive into the engine work. Regular maintenance is crucial to keep your truck running smoothly. Here, our expert mechanic demonstrates how to change the oil and replace the air filter. Next up, we move on to body work. Whether it's a dent or a scratch, our skilled technicians show you how to repair minor damages and restore your truck's exterior to its former glory. Now, let's talk about upgrading your truck. From installing new headlights to adding a lift kit, our team of experts guides you through the process of customizing your truck to fit your needs and style. In addition to engine work and body repairs, it's important to have a complete setup for your truck. We'll show you how to properly equip your truck with essential accessories like toolboxes, bed liners, and towing equipment.